He's so happy. Summertime sadness. I am happy. He's so happy. Summertime sadness. I'm so happy. Summertime gladness. He's so happy. I'm so happy. Summertime gladness. I'm so happy.
Okay, here we go with the disclaimer part. I have to read and or say all of this stuff to cover my coattails. I think I have 4 lives left of those. For fiction, this is a work of fiction. Names, characters, places, and incidents either are the product of the author, which is myself, imagination, or are used fictitiously. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, including one of my many lost lives, to which I think I still have 4 intact, events or locals is entirely coincidental. If my work, in which you happen to bestow upon by happenstance, is for creative nonfiction category, this is a work of creative nonfiction. Some parts have been fictionalized in varying degrees for various purposes. If this by happenstance happens to be some form of memoir unbeknownst to myself, once again I want to make sure my coattails are covered, because I only think I have 4 lives left. I don't want to lose one of my lives trying to getting taken down by a lawsuit. For memoirs, once again, if this happens to be a memoir, the disclaimer is as follows. The events and conversations in this book have been set down to the best of the author's ability, which is myself, although some names and details have been changed to protect the privacy of individuals. There is no way in Hades, in way, shape, or form, that anyone should try to cross and sue me now. I've read every description under the sun to protect my 4 remaining lives, in which I think I still have. That is all.
He's so happy. Summertime sadness.
Welcome to another glorious installment of Hashtag Meow. I'm grateful to have you all here. Speaking of grateful, I do not recall ever remembering to be thankful for anything, meaning I forgot to count my things I were grateful for. On my last Thanksgiving video, I'm grateful for the food I ate. I'm grateful for my pet family. And did I mention the food? And this wonderful, delicious Folgers coffee, Colombian brand, extra strength, dark roast coffee, 2 cubes of sugar, shaped like the square. I am unsure if the sugar cubes I ordered from Amazon are the sugar cubes that are supposed to be fed to horses, or, oh, never mind, that's salt lick. Oh my goodness. You guys, I think I just made an epic mistake live on Hashtag Meow. I think I accidentally ordered salt lick cubes instead of sugar cubes. They both look the same, and I just glanced online during Amazon's Black Friday sale. Well, it's Monday, so Amazon's Cyber Monday sale, and I was trying to rush because it said it only had 5 left, then 4, so I pushed add to cart quickly and I bought it. It arrived early today because I was up exactly at 12:01 midnight this early morning cyber shopping. So since I ordered my order so early, on Amazon Prime. Yes, I am an Amazon Prime member cat who drinks Folgers coffee, who lives in the glorious state of Georgia, and loves watching/listening to the 11 Alive News here in Georgia. I am also an Amazon Prime member cat. Cats are the new wave of the future. But that's besides the point. Wait, let me set my coffee down. Okay, I'm back. So as I was saying, meow. I was literally online waiting for 12:01 a.m. today, which is November 30th, so I could do Cyber Monday shopping online. I ordered salt lick cubes accidentally mistakenly thinking they were sugar cubes. But let me tell you something. I put 2 supposedly sugar cubes into my coffee, but they were salt, and it actually tastes phenomenal. Maybe I'm onto something. Watch out, Starbucks. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. I'm happy. That's my happy laugh. I don't think you've ever heard me laugh before. At least not on this platform. Look out, Starbucks. I think I'm onto something. So I had a wonderful time. As I was saying, I ordered the salt cubes very early, precisely at 12:15 a.m. this morning. So since I ordered them so early, through Amazon Glorious Prime, I was able to receive my salt lick cubes today around 3:55 p.m. Same day delivery. Oh, that's why I'm talking to you now. But the video will not be up until later on. Later on meaning tomorrow, sometime in December. But today is November 30th, and I wanted to talk about this glorious coffee combination that I've just discovered. And also to gladly announce to you that I am an Amazon Prime cat member also. I recommend that everyone still continue to wear a mask. Please wear a mask. I want to thank everyone who ordered a wonderful mask that I designed with the help of my pet parents, i.e. my pet mom. The masks are selling like hotcakes on Spring Tea. If you haven't ordered one, please order one today. My hashtag Meow cat masks are flying hot off the shelves, or hot off the presses, or hot off the on-demand ordering. I recommend you buy a mask that I designed and my pet parents helped me design, and put it into your friends and family stockings as stocking stuffers. I've been talking for 6 minutes. I plan to talk for 10 minutes. So that means I have 4 more minutes to talk to you guys. I've talked about you wearing a mask. Also to stay safe. That I'm an Amazon Prime member cat. I now discovered that salt cubes are wonderful in my coffee, but maybe it's just the Colombian Folgers brand. I haven't ventured off into being adventurous and putting salt cubes in Folgers breakfast blend. However, Folgers breakfast blend is great just the way it is, so I don't know. You guys have any suggestions about Folgers coffee in general? I don't care for decaf. It doesn't do anything for me. But since I am a mad Folgers fan, I still buy it anyways. Because I just want to support them any way I can. Hey Folgers, if you're looking for a new cat model, spokesmodel, I'm your cat. I'll gladly promote your wonderful coffees. There was a long pause. I was just relishing in the moment of the thought of imagination that maybe I will be the cat person to represent Folgers. Folgers can is red and the top is black. I would look awesome in catabulous in red and black colors. I love my mouth, my life. I just want to let you guys know that it is very important to wear your mask, and once again I want to thank every last one of you who supported me on Teesprings in order to hashtag Meow mask and all my other glorious merch in general. I hope that every time you listen to me, you have some of my hashtag Meow apparel in your hands or paws. Preferably one of my glorious deluxe hashtag Meow coffee mugs. I've ordered 4 of them, thinking of ordering 5 so I can pass them out to my cat family and friends. I will be Skyping all my cat family and friends on the Catternet come Christmas. I did not go anywhere outside of the state during Thanksgiving holiday. I wanted to respect my family, my cat family, and not accidentally bring home cat COVID. So I stayed indoors with my wonderful cat family. We are at 9 minutes, 18 seconds and counting. All I have to do is hold the line for maybe 45 more seconds and I'll reach my 10-minute YouTube allotment according to my standards. I want you to press the like button, the share button, and subscribe button to all your cat lover friends out there and continue supporting me on this wonderful, beautiful, glorious platform. Hey, it's me, or signing off, or sis signing off on hashtag meow.
He's so happy, summertime sadness. He's so happy, summertime gladness. He's so happy,